All right, guys, I have a news for you today. And the news is that I just made a grammar mistake. Do you know what the mistake was? We do not say a news. Okay? That's wrong. It should be some news. Okay, so I should have said, I have some news for you today. And not a news. That's always wrong. And that's a common mistake that people make. They say a news. I heard a news. Or I saw a news. If you're reading the news. No, that's wrong. You should say, I heard some news about that. Or I saw on the news. Okay, so let's say in the morning you wake up, you drink your coffee, you read BBC News or something. And then you go meet your friend and say, hey, buddy, I saw on the news that something bad happened. Okay, so you're telling your friend about what you read while you were drinking your coffee on your phone or on the computer. Now later you're telling your friend, I saw on the news that something bad happened over there in that part of the world. Okay, so I saw on the news, or you could say I saw some news about that. I didn't read the article, but I saw that on the news. Or I heard, I can hear some geese over there, guys. Wow. It's like a goose apocalypse. Let's go over there, guys. Let's go check out the goose apocalypse. Can you hear that? I know you can't see it probably in my camera because it's too far away, but I can see probably like 200 geese flying. That's a lot of geese. Man, they're all flying at one time. It's not a zombie apocalypse, it's a goose apocalypse. Okay, so guys, so this word news is a bit confusing for people to use. Okay, because have you heard that news? Have you heard the news? We use the there, right? In most cases, when you have the word the, you could also have the word right? Like the tree, right? This is a tree. Hey, I think the tree has see, now I'm talking about the specific tree. So I said the tree, or I could say this tree or that tree. So you can say the news. The news is just the news. Just whatever is happening in the world. That's the news. But you can't have a news, okay? That's the mistake. So just remember, you cannot say a news. Easy. Guys, that goose apocalypse is just... There's literally like 1,000 geese right here. If I keep walking a bit over here, maybe they're flying in circles. I don't know, guys. Let's go check out the goose apocalypse. Oh, I see some people coming up on the path here. Gonna take a detour here, and I'll wait for those people to pass, and then I'll keep teaching you some English, because there's another mistake that is exactly the same as this one. Can you think about what it is? What word am I thinking about? Try to think. It's the same mistake, it's just a different word. Can you guess? Smash like if you have an idea. Guys, I'm sure you can hear these geese in my video. This is a goose apocalypse. Why are they all out here right at sunset? I think they're flying in a circle, guys. Let's go over there and check this out. You won't even believe how many geese there are out here. I think they're flying in a circle. Man. Okay, so the other word I'm thinking of is medicine. All right, so the mistake would be, I have a headache, so I took a medicine. Oh, what's that? You're feeling sick? I'm sorry to hear that. Have you taken a medicine? That's wrong. We do not say a medicine. We say some medicine. Okay? Man, guys. This is crazy. So I can't even think, guys. I can't even think. This is crazy. All right. I gotta focus on teaching English. The word news and the word medicine are both words where you can say the, but you cannot say a. Okay? So I could ask you, has the medicine started working yet? Right, let's say you have a headache, and so you took some medicine. Now I could ask you, is the medicine working yet? Okay, and you could say, yeah, it's working a bit. Now it's working a bit. Guys, this is so crazy. I can't believe this. If I keep walking over here, guys, you're literally gonna see like a million geese. Wow. What's this world coming to? Okay, so medicine, news. Those are both wrong. So we use the word some. I think I'm going to take some medicine. Okay. I heard some news. Man, one of these geese are gonna poop on my head. All right, guys, let's keep walking. So now with medicine, okay, there's specific. Medicine is kind of like the umbrella term. Umbrella term means the kind of the general term. If I ask you, have you taken some medicine? I'm not thinking about a particular kind of pill. Like, you could say, yeah, I took an Advil. Okay, like if you have a headache here in Canada, there are some different names for medicine. One medicine that people sometimes take for pain is Advil. Another one is Tylenol. So you could say, yeah, I took a Tylenol. Yeah, that means you're referring to a pill, right? Or you could say, I took a pill. I took an Advil. I took a Tylenol. I took a paracetamol, or whatever names of medicine you have in your country, because they all have different names, right? So guys, I can't even think straight. I can't even think. These geese are so loud. I bet you've never seen so many geese in your entire life. They are loud, and they came for a big party. This has got to be like, I wonder if they're protesting something. This is a large protest of geese gathering here, guys. I hope I don't get pooped on. Guys, I gotta show you this. This is absolutely crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to stop and take a video on, I'm gonna post a video on my Instagram here from my phone. This is just, I don't know if I've ever seen so many geese in one place in my life. I'm just gonna pull out my phone and take a video of this, guys, and then I'll post it on my Instagram. Wow, guys, this is so crazy. This is probably the most geese I've ever seen in my whole life in one spot. Like on this little pond here, or lake, whatever. This is like a canal here, but it's kind of, it looks like kind of a pond, right? So there must be thousands of geese right here. Hey, now they got quiet suddenly. I don't know what's going on, guys. If you're a bird expert, let me know what's going on. That's a lot of geese. I don't know why they all came together like this at one time. Okay, so if you want to talk about the particular kind of medicine, like you could say, I took a teaspoon full of cough syrup. I took 1 teaspoon of cough syrup. Or I took a teaspoonful of cough syrup. Okay, then you use the word I took a teaspoon, or I took a pill, or I took an Advil, or a Tylenol, or whatever, okay? Or when we're talking about the news, you can say, I saw a story on the news, or you could say, I saw a news story about that. Then you can say the word okay? Because then the word is story. Guys, there's a drone. Someone's flying a drone above my head, taking a video of me making a video for you. He's videoing me, videoing myself for you. Isn't that nice? So, just remember, very simple tip. Guys, don't overthink this. I don't like talking too much about like grammar and that, because most people don't care about it. They just want to know the right answer. The right answer is, when you use the word news, do not say unless there's another word, and that is like article or story. You could say, I read a news article, right? Because there, the main word is article or story. It's not news. But if the word news is the main word, if that's the only word, then you do not say a news, right? Or, you know, I read a medicine. In that case, it would be like medical. The word medicine would change to medical. I read a medical article, or I read a medical story, or I don't know. I read a medical research paper, right? Then you'd use the word because again, there the main word is paper or article or story or something like that, right? So that's just your simple tip, guys. Never say a news and never say a medicine. Rather, you should say, I took some medicine, or you should take some medicine. Have you seen the news these days? It's crazy. I saw, you know, I heard some news about that. Or I heard the news about that. Yeah, I heard the news. Some means maybe not all of it, right? If you say the news, yeah, you know what's going on. I heard the news about that. But if you're not really sure exactly what's happening, you can say, I heard some news about that. But fill me in. Fill me in. That means tell me more. Tell me about what happened. Fill me in, guys, okay? So guys, fill me in on what's happening in your country. What is, you know, Is there anything interesting happening in your country? I'll fill you in on what's happening here in Alberta. There is a goose protest. They are protesting very loudly that... I don't know what they're protesting, guys. People don't really even eat goose meat. I mean, maybe hunters eat geese. I don't know if I've never had... Have I ever eaten goose? I don't know, guys. People don't eat geese. They eat turkeys. You know, maybe they're upset about their cousins, the turkeys. Are they cousins? I don't know. Maybe they're upset that their cousins are getting eaten, or the chickens, or the ducks. Sometimes people eat ducks, especially over in China. People eat duck. Maybe the geese in Canada are trying to, you know, trying to advocate for their cousins, the ducks in China that are getting eaten. I don't know. To advocate means to you know, to be someone's voice for, you know, for someone. So maybe the geese are trying to advocate for the ducks in China. I don't know, guys. Just an idea. Let me know why you think these geese are protesting. But anyway, guys, that's it for me here in Alberta, Canada. As always, I love you so much, and hope those little tips helped you. Leave a comment down there, and try to use these words in, you know, in the way I taught you. Okay, news. Make a sentence about news and make a sentence about medicine. All right, there you have it, guys. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, happy. And as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.